Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to deploy a container in that remote machine manually using all the process that we have been creating. So for this, we're going to generate a Docker image first. So let's go to our Jenkins folder, pipeline, Jenkins, and build. So right here, we want to first remember we want to build a jar, or well, we can use this jar actually. So let's build the image. So let's say build, but remember that to build the image we need to have a build tag that is being used in the Docker compose build. So we need to define this variable here, but in the future Jenkins will define it by itself. So for now, let's say echo export build tag, and that is going to be, for example, 10, let's say. Okay, 10. Then we execute our build script, and we have an error right there. Oh yes, and that's because we need to execute the script outside. Remember, we need to execute this from here. So let's say Jenkins build, and then build the image, and in this way we can build the Docker image without any problem. Cool. So now we can do Docker images, and we grep for Maven, and we should have our Maven project 10 created right here. Super cool. So now that we have this image created, let's say that we want to push this image, which is number 10, to our registry. So for that, we can simply do Jenkins push and push.sh, and that is going to push this image, the image that is using the tag number 10, to our repository, as you can see right here. Remember that if you take a look to your Jenkins folder, push script, we're actually using variables, so we're grabbing the build tag environment variable to know which version we should push. In this case, we're going to push the version 10 because if you take a look at the value of the environment variable, the value is 10. Okay, so now we have the image in our registry. Let's go and validate it. So let's refresh in here, and we should see a tag number 10. Cool, you can see it here. So our image was successfully pushed. So now we're gonna log in to our machine using SSH. So we're gonna say SSH, and we're gonna log into our machine, our remote machine, the machine that we just created. But before logging in, we're going to transfer the file. Remember that we need to transfer the deploy file. So let's go to Jenkins data, pipeline, the Jenkins deploy, and in here remember that we created this file that is going to transfer the name of the